Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix hotels.com app not working. So if your hotels.com app is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So your hotels.com application might not be working because you're not using the latest version of the application. For that, what you have to do is update the application. In order to update the application, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom right corner you'll be able to see search icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply type in hotels.com. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the application for hotels.com over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to see the update option. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your problem should be fixed, but if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache. So for that, what you have to do is clear the cache. Simply go to settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to see several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find the option for apps, simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several apps over here. Find the application hotels.com, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of hotels.com. You'll be able to see several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for open, uninstall, force stop. Also you'll be able to find the option for notifications, permissions, storage and cache, mobile data and Wi-Fi. All you have to do is tap on the option storage and cache. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the storage interface. Over here you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. Right now I have 34.74 MB of cache. Now simply tap on the option clear cache. After that your cache will be cleared. After your cache is clear, your application should start working now. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application should work. So that is how you fix hotels.com app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.